YouTube, it's your boy Joshua Charles, and I'm back at it again with another wave video. And today, guys, what we're gonna be talking about is my skincare products, and I'm doing a review on each and every one of them that I use personally. Now, I haven't been making videos, and I'm sorry about that. Something tragic happened to family, so it was a delay and stuff. So I'm sorry that I haven't been posting, but I'm back and I'm about to start consistently posting every single day. My content is going to be consistent. My social media content is going to be consistent. I'm going to be posting a lot for you guys, so like you guys can have a heads up what's going on, what I'm going to be doing. So today, guys, what we're going to be doing is that ask that you just keep praying for me, my family, and keep us in our prayers. And I appreciate you guys for staying tuned and subscribing. I've been getting a lot more subscribers, even though I haven't been posting, and I appreciate that. So guys, today we're going to be doing a review. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the first product what I'm going to be reviewing is this right here. This gets all the dirt and grime out your skin. I've been using this product right here. This right here, the grapefruit scrub. It smells good. When you rub it in your face, it just burns. What I do, I like to add water on my face, put it in the palms of my hand, and just scrub it right into my face, and it gets all that dirt off your face. I know in my previous video I was supposed to do before and after, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give you a good look at my face. I'm gonna be using these products all this week, and next week I'm gonna post a video of how my face looks after I've been using these products. But this scrub works. It's amazing. I'm gonna put all these products in the link in the description below, so if you want to buy them, they'll be already there for you. So you just go in the link in the description below and click on it, and the products are gonna be right there. This scrub is amazing. When I say your face feels extremely soft after you use this. It's amazing. The best scrub I ever use. Next product. The Best Face Forward Deep Cleanser. It's a good product. It really cleans your face, has your face feeling soft, and it gives it a nice shine after you cleanse your face. Your skin starts glowing. I feel a difference after I clean my face with this product right here. It gets in your pores, cleans all those blackheads, zits out of your face. But what I like to do, I like to use my extractor, pull the infection and everything that's inside your pimple. I like to extract that all out. Then I use this right here, and it gets inside your pores and cleanses it. So any leftover infection or anything that's inside your skin, it gets it all out and cleanses it. I recommend using this product right here. Next product, the Aztec Secret Cleanser Mud Mask. This product is very good. You leave it on your face for like 10-15 minutes, and when you pull it off, when you wash it off your face, you don't pull it, you wash it out, and it's hard. It feels real hard on your skin, and it burns a lot. When you're pulling it off, you can feel the struggle. You need hot water to get this stuff off your face, but your face will be like very pink, but at the end of the day, it's getting all the blackheads, infection, everything that's on your face, dirt, grime. It's getting all of that off your face. It's a real good product right here. So I recommend you get this product. It's very good. It works real good, and at the end of the day, your face is going to be amazing. This is the Abnormal Beauty Company serum. It's a very good product. I'm going to put this link in the description below. It's a very good product. These serums, what they do, to get inside your pores, and they cleanses it and makes your skin real shiny. This is like one of the finishing touches that's used after you then wash your face, cleanse it and everything. It makes your face really shiny and glow, and it gets the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Supplement. This product is a real good product. What I like to do, the serums that I just showed you, I like to mix them all and mix this and those serums at one, because it basically don't almost do the same thing at the serums, but when you put that, when you add them together, it does, you're gonna get a better result. That's what I'm trying to say. So I recommend you get this too with the serums, and then you put it all in your face, rub it together in your face, and you're gonna get a better result than just using the regular serums. This right here, this is another mud mask that I like to use. The Shea Moisture's Hydrating Mud Mask. It makes your skin feel healthy after you done washed it out. It hydrates it, you feel rejuvenated, and it's a real good product. I love using this. This is one of my favorite mud masks to put on my face. It's a very good product. I recommend buying it. You can get it at Walmart, but like I said, you can get it at Amazon too if you want to order it. I'm gonna put all these products in the link in the description below. Now this product right here, this Mario Basco product right here, this is a good product. You use this and you put this on the areas where your pimple is. You do this after you've done every step. I'm gonna put the link in the description below on each step, which you do have a video on that. I'm gonna put that in the link in the description below. But after you use this, after you then clean your face and everything, use this afterwards. After you done everything, all the steps, this is the last thing you put on. Put this on before you go to bed. What it does, you put it on where your pimples are, and it's gonna dry it up and have your pimples to disappear, so you don't have to keep popping those pimples and making black scars on your face. Alright guys, the next product what you want to use is this Ambi. What this does is going to get rid of these black scars. This is the last thing you use. 2 is going to get rid of all these black scars on your face right here. And you use it about 3 months and the results should go away. I'm going to be using this throughout the week. You should see a little progress of all of these black scars starting to disappear. So what you want to do is get this, but not put it on where it's your normal skin tone, because it will bleach your skin. Do not try to put it on the black spots. Do not put it on your actual skin tone, because it will bleach your skin and have your skin looking a different color. What this is doing is bleaching your skin to its normal skin tone. That's why you put it on the dark areas of your skin. This will get your skin right back to its normal skin tone, and use this. Guys, I thank you guys for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please hit that subscribe button. Peace, thank you, God bless. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, we're halfway there. I thank you guys for your support. Peace, thank you, and God bless.